Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are taking a look at this resale property available over in Treviso Bay, Naples, Florida. It's a bundled golf course with a TPC designation. This is 9423 Piacere. It's part of the executive line of homes. This is the Sophia floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms plus den, and you're going to have 3 full baths. Let's walk inside and take a look at this home, which does include a full golf membership to TPC Treviso Bay. As you come into the home, you've got this nice entry area, and we're going to start off to our right here. Right in this little hallway, you're going to have the first guest bedroom here. And you do have the closet right there on the left. And then this is right off the guest bath here with the single sink and the combination tub and shower there. Now coming back out into the main hallway, on our right here, this is what is a den and or bedroom, depending on how you want to use it. Here, these owners have set it up like a bedroom. It does have a small closet, but it does have the clear doors here, so it can be used as a nice den space as well. And directly across from this, we're going to have a couple things. You have the entry to the garage and the laundry space. So you've got a nice stack of cabinets there for extra storage, full-size washer and dryer. And then you've got your 2-car garage here as well. Now turning back around, you've got guest bedroom number 3 here. And the nice thing about this bedroom is it has its ensuite bath here. So you've got the full shower, commode, and singular sink. So that's nice for entertaining guests when they're down. And then this opens up into the main living space here with the dining room, the living room, and the kitchen all opened up onto everything. Great for entertaining. You got a full stainless steel appliance set, granite countertops, wood cabinetry. You've got the wall oven and microwave. Really nice corner pantry here. And you even got this nice little workstation at the kitchen. And this all overlooks your main dining and living space. Now coming back to the rear of the home, you have the master bedroom. It's a king-size suite there. You do have access out to the lanai from your master as well. And one of the unique things here about this floor plan to Sophia, you've got this huge closet right here. And notice all the closets do have wood shelving, which is another nice little feature. And then you have your master bath here with the dual sinks. You've got the separate soaking tub, and you've got the walk-in style shower here. And then you have the private enclosed water closet here. Now last but not least, we have the exterior living here. Out here in this home, you do have a outdoor kitchen. So you've got the outdoor kitchen and the fridge, vented hood. Also, this home comes equipped with a roll down hurricane screen that you can see right there towards the top of the lanai. And then it has the pool and spa package as well. And this is a western exposure here, so you're gonna get a great amount of sun over your pool, as well as some really nice sunset views coming through the palm trees in the back. Nice and private back here. You've got a nice backyard space, lots of palm trees, lots of privacy. You've got the hedges between these homes here, so nobody's looking into each other's pool areas. All right, so guys, so this is the home on Piacere. It's the executive home with golf membership included. If you're interested in this home, you can reach us at all the contact information below. This is Roberto Lee with Pinnacle Property, and we appreciate you watching.